kami. Yay! Kasi si Uni hindi marinig.
Dear guests, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 2. The time now is 6 minutes past hour of 8 in the morning.
Private jet mo yun. Wow! Uy! Ang raming ng mga ano.
For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of Air Asia Captain Carlo Flores, First Officer Jerome Baroga, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infant and were given infant life vest, please return to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin na may dalang sangkol at nabigyan ng infant life vest, mangyari po lamang ibalik ito sa mga cabin crew bago po kayo bumaba. Maraming salamat po.
Yay! Yung mga building mo yun. Wow! Ang gandang mga building.
For safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the parking bay and the fasten seatbelt signs are turned off. We thank you for your cooperation. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin para sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang babala sa pagkabit ng seatbelt ay hindi na nakailaw at ang pinto po ay nabuksan na para sa inyong pagbaba. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon.
Maraming salamat din.
Natanggal. Bit mo lang.
Wait lang.
Arm doors and
Ikaw
cross.
naman maghawak nito. Andun si mama mo, naghihintay.